Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! Today I'm going to make a cute Santa sleigh tiara tray decoration and add a cute little Santa gnome to the sleigh. I think this is my favorite Christmas project so far this year. I am truly in love with the way this turned out. You will need a sleigh ornament. I got this one at, you guessed it, Dollar Tree. After I took the tag and the decorations off of it, I used a pair of wire cutters to take the small part off the back of the sleigh where you would hang it from a tree. This was a little tough, but I just kept wiggling it back and forth until it came off. I then taped up the top portion and sides of the sleigh with painter's tape. I only left the bottom and the rails untaped. And it took some creativity to figure out how to get this thing taped up. After I had the sleigh taped up, I took it outside and spray painted it black. I let it dry for a few hours before I brought it back in. After it was dry, I removed the painter's tape. I applied Mod Podge to help the chalk paint adhere to the metal. After the Mod Podge was dry, I painted the inside and the outside of the sleigh with some red chalk paint. It took a couple of coats to get the color I was looking for without any streaks. And now it's time to start the Santa gnome. I took a thread spool and attached a wood bead to the top using hot glue. I used some Dollar Tree white nautical rope for the beard. This was a new pack, so I used the end that was taped. I eyeballed the length I needed and cut the rope. I untwisted the rope. This took some time, but it was well worth it. Then I used a stiff brush and brushed it out and added the beard to the bead using a dab of hot glue. I used a tree skirt I got at Dollar Tree for the Santa's hat. I cut it down to size and then added hot glue and attached it to the middle of the bead. I then started twisting and hot gluing the hat down the way I wanted. And the final touch, I added a pom-pom to the end. Now it's time to add Santa to his sleigh. I needed him to sit a little higher, so I added a short stem to raise him up. I then glued him to the inside middle of the sleigh. This is the final look. I think it is so stinking cute. This was a simple project and it looks amazing on my simple tiara tray. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will have more of Christmas videos every week until Christmas, and you know you don't want to miss them. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, simply hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.